Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple Dutch pour. Oh no, there goes my dog barking. I'm just going to do it on one canvas, and I'm just going to draw a straight line with the paints and then blow up and down. I've actually never done this before. I've done a lot of Dutch pours, but they've mainly been either diptychs or triptychs or on smaller 8x8 size canvases. And usually I don't just draw a straight line. I usually kind of, make it wavy. So we're gonna see how this goes. Of course, I'm gonna go back to my ocean inspired colors. So I'm gonna be using a Prussian blue, primary blue, violet, light blue, and silver. I was debating on whether I wanted to use silver or gold, but I feel like I always use gold in everything. So I thought maybe it'll be best just to do some silver this time. It's just, gold is my just go-to metallic for some reason. All right, so I've already laid the white base down. So now I'm just gonna pour the colors, and then we'll get the hairdryer out. that's so pretty. Those colors are so pretty. Normally I don't like things that are just so the same on each sides, but this looks really cool. But I think I'm gonna do a little bit of blowing through a straw because these on this side look just so nice and round, and over here just kind of looks, well, not. So we're gonna see what I can do to kind of even it out a little bit. Ooh, be careful when you're blowing so that you don't get lightheaded. Sometimes I forget to stop and take a breath and just not breathe out hard. And so, yeah, nobody wants to faint while they're doing acrylic pouring. Very cool. I think I might be done with it. I don't know. I still wish I could get this area a little bit smoother, but I'm gonna be brave and I'm gonna try to blow it again, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I think that's much better. Much better. Cool. All right, you guys, well, I think I'm gonna call this one done. I don't know, I'm still not happy with this right here either. I wish there was a little bit more negative space there, but that's all right. I love this Prussian blue color. It's so pretty. It always looks just really, really awesome, especially against white backgrounds. Let me see, maybe I'll torch it just a little bit. Yeah, there's no silicone in this, so there's probably not going to be that many cells pop up. Cool. All right, I think I'm done. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see some more of my videos. Also, I love comments, so if there's any comments you'd like to share or anything you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next one.